going to have a quick look at all my hives to see if we've got any activity. It's still a bit chilly, so we'll have to see, but it is sunny. Anything going on yet? Nada. Just did have bees flying around the other day, but today it's a little bit frosty out, so it might just be too cold. Let's go and have a look at one more. Right, so we're coming up for the next one. There's the M11 over there. This one should have had some morning sun, I would have thought. Like I said, it's still very frosty. Yeah, there's a bee moving around there. There's a couple of bees moving around. So we got bees in this guy, so that's a result. So that's one. They're all just coming out. That's two that I've seen take off. There's a couple going on. So happening, yay! Let's go and have a look at hive number 3 then. Hive number 3. I think I saw something flying in and out. Let's have a look. Ah yes, we've got lots of activity here. Ah yes, lots going on here. These guys seem to be enjoying the sunshine. So let's get off to the hive number 4 then. Right, so this one is in the shade. So I don't know if there's anything going on here, but we'll see in a moment. That's in a really nice spot. Nothing happening yet. But like the one at home, it's in the shade. So we'll have to see. Two holes in the top here. I don't know what those are from. It's strange. Once I've seen that before. Almost look like they've been drilled. No, nothing happening here. On that side. I'll have to keep you posted on this one, but there doesn't seem to be anything happening at the moment. But like I said, it is in the shade, so we'll have to see. So anyway, there's no bees flying out the front of this, but I can't turn my torch on, but basically inside that hole I can see comb and I can see bees moving around. That hole there has been all plugged up with propolis, but that one there I can actually see bees moving around. So I don't know what the deal is. These guys haven't come out yet, but it is pretty cold. So there seem to be bees, but there's no bees flying at the moment. Just really weird. I haven't seen holes like that before. So it's some sort of bug or something's drilled 2 holes in the top. Anyway, moving on swiftly. Right, so this is another hive in quite a nice spot. It's got a lot of sunshine. Don't see anything going on. Ah, maybe something going on. Oh no, they're pretty busy. There's a fly. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for bees. So this one has the original roof on that was painted. So I got virtually no insulation besides the brush that's above them. No, it was just flies that I saw. There's a dead bee there. We'll give it a little bit more time and see. What do we have? There's a bee. And there's another one. So we have, there's another one with pollen. It's a bit confused, this one. Get in there. There you go. Another one coming out. So we definitely have success here. So this is hive number, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's hive number 4. It's just the one that's at home. A little bit quiet, but it's still in the shade. So we'll have to see if that one comes to life. This is a really cool spot. Okay, so this one is a bit of a pain to get to because it's over there. But I have to get through this ditch here. So this is the one that never had bees in. Well, I put it in last year, but I haven't really come to have a look at it again. So let me just, I might need my hands to hold them to some. Okay, so this one didn't have any bees in last year. There's still frost on the ground, so I doubt if they'll be flying if there were any bees in here. But I doubt it. So I'll have to come and bait this one. This here. This one is a different roof style. I was aiming to make one to fit on a wall. It doesn't look too bad, but it's not as pretty as the new ones. This is the intermediate hive between the flat roof and the new double-sided roof. So yeah, nothing happening yet, but there are no surprises there. I wasn't expecting, but this is a really good spot. I think they got this whole field here that they can forage on, so it should get populated at some stage. Okay, this one's also a little bit of a mission to get to. Go across here. You can probably see it just through there. If there's anything going on. No, nothing. Again, it is in the shade. I'll have to keep you posted on this one, but we'll have to see. Right, so I don't know how many hives that is, but I think this is the last one. So we've got the one that we just came to on the other side. This must be hive number 8, I would have thought. These guys are buzzing away quite nicely. You take it easy. Out and about for a bit of a stroll. Out and about for a bit of a stroll. Yes. We have a hive. These guys have survived winter quite nicely, I think. How beautiful is that location? Absolutely stunning. Right, hive number 3, and I've just seen a bee leave. So that means so far we got 3 out of 3 for hives with bees in. So that's pretty good. This one's a bit spoiled because they got the best location, but it's also a bit windy and breezy today. So I don't imagine there's too much going on. Ah, there we go. There's one coming in. Yeah, we have a winner. 3 out of 3. Right.